Hello friends, today we're going to be working on using this rubric for writing. So you need two things. You need your writing. This is my writing. Now you need to have yours. Maybe you have your journal or something you've been working on today. And you also need to have a copy of this rubric. So pause this video if you do not have those two things. Okay, welcome back. The first box we're going to look at is this one right up here. This says, I can begin my sentence with an uppercase letter. So this is the example they show you. An uppercase means the tall letter. So let's go down to my writing. This was my first piece of writing. I do have an uppercase letter there. And I have one here. Now you check your writing and see if you have an uppercase letter. It might not be the letter I like mine. It might be like a W like this one. See if you have an uppercase letter. And if not, pause this video and fix it. Now you can put an X in that box. On to the next part. I can punctuate each sentence. So you might have a period, or a question mark, or an exclamation point. Let's look at Miss Forsting's writing. Okay, well, this one does not have a period here, so I couldn't mark that. But this one does. You check your writing. Do you have a period at the end of your sentence? Or not, like this one? If you do have a period like this one, you go ahead and put an X right here. If not, leave that blank. This box talks all about stretchy snake. It's asking you if you stretched out words like a stretchy snake. If you forgot what stretchy snake means when you're writing, you should watch this video right here. Let's go see if I use stretchy snake. Here we go. And go to, well, that was hard to read. There's no spaces. I can go to the park. Yes, I stretchy snaked out park. So I'm going to mark that. My handwriting is neat. Well, I used a computer, so of course mine is neat. But take a quick look at your writing and see if it's nice and neat. Do your letters stop at the dotted line? Do they sit on the bottom line? I hope so. If they do, you can mark this off. This box says, I can put finger spaces between my words. So let's look at this sentence up here. There are no finger spaces in this sentence. Look at that. I can't even read that, that's so hard. But I did put finger spaces here. See? Check your writing and see if you put finger spaces or not. If your sentence has finger spaces, you should put an X there. The next box says, my sentence makes sense. I can go to the park. Yes, that makes sense. I'm going to put an X there. I can add picture details. Now, boys and girls, I did not put a picture here because I was just really working on the rubric view. So take a look at your picture and see if you use lots of color and you're nice and neat and no scribble scrabble. And if you did a great job, you should put an X right there. Good luck with your writing, boys and girls. I hope you're having a good time.